Okay, let's go ahead and look at the fourth position, where the styrofoam ball, which represents the moon, is positioned at 135-degree angle with the line that connects the source of light to you. That's basically 135 degrees angle with the line that connects the sun to the earth, where you represent an observer on the surface of the earth during the time the waxing gibbous moon is visible. So this phase is called waxing gibbous, and this is the view that you should be able to see when you do this part of the experiment. Now let's go to the simulation. The waxing gibbous phase will be between the 90 degrees angle position and 180 degrees. So anywhere after 90 degrees and before 180 degrees is a waxing gibbous position. So let's go ahead and set it at 135 like in the experiment. Around 135 degrees. This is the view of the moon that represents waxing gibbous. So as you can see here from your position on the earth, big portion of the lit side of the moon will be visible to you from earth. So that's why you see big chunk that is lit, illuminated by sunlight, and there's part that is dark because it's on the other side of the sun. Now let's see, when will the waxing gibbous phase rise from east, when will it reach its highest point in the sky, and when will it set at west. So let's go ahead and rotate the Earth counterclockwise. Of course, the Earth complete one full rotation in 24 hours, which we call it 1 day. So you can see so far the waxing gibbous moon is not visible in the sky, as evidenced by the horizon diagram here. We reach sunrise, and you can see here the sun is rising from east on the horizon diagram. The waxing gibbous phase is not visible yet. Now we reach our noon time, where the sun is at its maximum height in the sky and the moon is still below the horizon. Now you can see the moon is rising from east sometime between noon time and sunset. So between noontime and sunset, the waxing gibbous moon will rise from east. Now we are reaching sunset and the waxing gibbous phase is still rising. We are done with the daytime. We are entering the nighttime. As you see here, sometime between sunset and midnight, the waxing gibbous moon will reach its maximum height in the sky. As the day progresses, we reach midnight and we can still see the waxing gibbous in the night sky. Now you can see the waxing gibbous phase starts setting sometime between midnight and sunrise. This is here midnight, here sunrise. So it will set between midnight and sunrise. So you can see here from this simulation, the waxing gibbous spend most of its time during nighttime. Basically, it rises just before the sun sets, so it rises sometime between noon and sunset, so it will spend few hours during daytime. It will reach its maximum height in the sky after sunset, sometime between sunset and midnight, and then it will set before sunrise. So most of its time actually is spent during nighttime above the horizon. It will only spend few hours above the horizon just before sunset. We'll see actually if we go to the full moon, just to give you an idea here. If you go to the full moon, you see here, this is full moon. The moon will not be visible at all during daytime. So you can see here during daytime, if we start from sunrise, you see the moon is not visible in the sky. And now the sun has set in the west and the moon is still not visible. The moon will rise at sunset. It will reach its maximum height in the sky at midnight, and then it will set at sunrise. So full moon will be only visible during nighttime. You cannot see it at all during daytime. If you see what appears to be a full moon during daytime, this is a gibbous moon. It's not full moon. It will be either a waxing gibbous or a waning gibbous. This will be a waning gibbous moon, where when we start the waning phase, the left side of the moon will be lit as opposed to the right side in the case of waxing phases. And during the waning phase, you can see here the moon will rise between sunset and midnight. It will reach its maximum height in the sky between midnight and sunrise, and then it will set few hours after sunrise. So this is the time it will spend during daytime. That's the waning gibbous. You can see the waning gibbous a little bit after sunrise. You can see here the sun is rising and the moon is setting on the west. So that's regarding to the waning gibbous. Thank you.